guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So as you can see, I have my very first advent calendar for 2019. That's right, it is September and I received my very first advent calendar. This is from Elemis. Do you want to see what is all in these little drawers? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so again, this is my Elemis calendar. I was on the fence with this one because it was so far the most expensive one that I bought. I did because I know Elemis is supposed to be a very good brand, and I've canceled a few of my boxes so I can afford advent calendars. So this is the very first one to arrive. I've ordered 3 now, and this is the first one. This is the 25 Days of Beauty. It's $250. They do have easy pay if you choose to make payments. And this is supposed to be a $499 value. $499 value. So let's go ahead and dive on in and see what is in these. I'm so excited. Okay, so we'll go with number 1. We'll go in order. So number 1, they have these little drawers, and this is the Elemis Pro Radiance Cream Cleanser. So there's item number 1. Number 2, and this is double-sided. So number 2 is down here. This one has body cream, frangipani. I have no clue how to say that word, but this is Body Exotic Body Cream. Right there. Let's see, is this opened? No. And I'm really excited because, again, Elemis is supposed to be really, really good. I've tried a few of their products and I do love them. So I'm so excited to get, ooh, that smells really good. It smells good. I'm really excited to start using like a whole setup thing from them. So there's number 2. Number 3 will be right here. And number 3 is the Superfood Day Cream. I do have this product and I really do like it. I have a little bit left, so I'm so glad to now have another one because I like this stuff. So there's the day cream. Number 4, this is a Balancing Lavender Toner. And I don't like lavender, so I hope this doesn't smell like lavender. I don't really smell a whole lot. Hopefully not. Lavender tends to give me a migraine. I already have one, even right now. So I'll try it and hopefully it doesn't give me a migraine or intensify a migraine. So I'm gonna try that. Balancing Lavender Toner, Purifying Facial Toner. So advanced skincare. So I will try that. There's number 4. Number 5 is this big guy right here. And this is Instant Refreshing Gel, Body Performance, Muscle Rejuvenating Body Gel. There's that. Number 6. This little guy here is 1000 Flower Mask, Revitalizing Face Mask. Ooh, I've never tried a face mask from them, so I'm excited to try that. So number 7. Okay, we're gonna be going back and forth, back and forth. Number 7. Ooh, this is a glass bottle, and it's oil. Ooh, leaking and oily. This is a body oil, hair, nails, and body oil. Body Exotics. After bathing, massage oil into damp skin. If contact with eyes occurs, rinse thoroughly. So there's that. Let's see. Ooh, it's really, really slippery. So this little top part comes off. kind of has like a rose scent to it, and rose is just like lavender with me. It is very, very oily. You can see already that it's oily. So I'll probably use this maybe on my hands and my nails, but that's really cool to have. So there's a face, body, nail oil. That was number 7. So number 8 is down here. This is Skin Nourishing Body Cream, Body Soothing. And let's see here. Ooh, that one definitely smells so much better. I'm not picking up any type of a rose. That smells really good. So it's another body cream, and that's a good size right there. It's even good to toss like in your purse. So number 9. And this is a Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. So I'm excited to try that because I already like the Day Superfood. So I'm excited now to try another one from that same line. That was 9, right? Yep, 9. So 10 is down here, this little guy. And this is Pro Collagen Hydrogel Eye Masks. So there's a set of eye masks. I'm interested to try that as well. It's down here. We have another little glass bottle, and this is Pro Collagen Rose Facial Oil. Rose. And that does smell like rose. So there's a little jar of facial oil. 12. Gotta go back to the side. Yep. All right, so here's 12. That was a big drawer for just this little bottle. I mean, that was a big drawer for this. And this is an Adaptive Day Cream. Skin Purifying Day Cream, Advanced Skincare. 12, let's see, 13. Ooh, this is Superfood, but this is Berry Boost Mask. So instead of the other one, which is a, what was that? Veggie? The Vital Veggie. This one's a Berry Boost. So I'm really excited to try that. 14. So we have another green one. This is a Superfood Facial Wash. So I can't wait to try that. Use daily, morning, and evening, and rinse thoroughly. Prebiotic Gel Cleanser. So that's 14. 15. Ooh, this is a bigger bottle. This is Cellular Recovery Skin Bliss Capsules, Day and Night Antioxidant Facial Oils. So, whoa. These are literally little capsules. So, day and night. How do I know? Do not eat. Apply contents of 1 pink rose capsule in the morning and 1 green lavender capsule at night. Twist off the tip of the capsule, warm oil between palm, and apply to cleanse skin. If contact with eyes occur, rinse. So, sounds like 1 is lavender and 1 is rose. Joy. I just can't stand the artificial smells of those. Hopefully, maybe they make theirs a little bit better and it won't affect me. But I hate having a migraine. Again, I have one now. I've had one all weekend. So I just hope it doesn't give me a headache. But if it does, then I know not to use it. Plain and simple. So number 16 is over here. We have Pro Radiance Illuminating Flash Balm. Skin Radiance Flash Balm. Apply daily to cleanse skin. Have you guys heard of a flash balm? So that's 16. Number 17 is Gentle Foaming Facial Wash, Advanced Skincare, Foaming Cream Cleanser. And massage into dry skin every morning and evening with fingertips. Add warm water to create a luxurious creamy lather, then rinse off. Let's see what this one smells like. That smells nice and clean. It's a thicker consistency, like, and see it's staying in form. It's more of a thicker, where the other one was more creamier. Okay, so 18, we're getting down, you guys. Here's 18. We have a twofer. Let's see here. This looks like, okay, so a little washcloth and Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. Cleansing balm. Ugh, that smells like a medicine rub. So let's see. What do we do with you? Okay, now that I got those apart, directions: smooth over and massage into face and neck. Remove with a damp cloth. Hence why they put a washcloth with this one. So that's how you use this cleansing balm. Yeah, it just smells like a Neosporin or something. So that's 18. 19 would be this guy down here. That's a very little guy. They could have at least put 2 of them in there for that, I would think, but you know. Pro Collagen Eye Renewal, Anti-Wrinkle Eye Cream. So we have this little guy. And it is an eye cream. Smooth gently around the eye area. So there we go. That's really cool. Now 20 is up here. Ooh, it's a long one. It goes the whole way. So, ooh, okay. So this is that same word, the Frangipiano Manio something or other. I have no clue, nor do I care to know, because I'm probably never going to say it again. But this is a shower cream. Luxurious shower cream from Body Exotics. This one says, in the shower, hence shower cream, be in the shower. In the shower, squeeze a small amount into wet palms, massage all over body, and rinse off for a luxurious bathing experience. Smooth over the body and immerse yourself into the immerse yourself in the sensational aroma. Rinse off after bathing. If contact and eyes, rinse thoroughly. Let's see what this smells like. Ooh, that does smell pretty good. It smells pretty good, although I'm smelling a hint of rose up in there, but I'll give it a shot. I'll always try something at least once, because you never know. Their formula might be a little bit different than others that I have tried. So there's that guy, and that's a good size. So we have a shower gel. That was a cute little box that one came in. So 21 is right here. 21 is a plumping pillow facial hydrating sleeping mask. Apply overnight and rinse off in the morning. So there's a sleeping mask. I prefer the sleeping mask that you can leave on, because in the morning I get up and I completely forget if I put something on, because I always put something on my face before I go to bed. So it's hard for me to remember, is that something that needs to be washed off in the morning, or is that something that's just going to absorb and I'm good to go the next morning? So I tend to not reach for the ones I need to rinse off unless I can make a mental note to wash it off in the morning. But I will definitely try that out, because again, Elemis is supposed to be really good. So I definitely want to give it a shot. 22, almost done, you guys. We got a green one. Oh, this is the night cream now. So this is this is the Superfood Night Cream. So I have the day cream already, which I like. So now I can put this one on at night. Apply every evening to cleanse dry skin. So I don't need to wash this one off, so that's awesome. I'm definitely gonna try that one tonight. Now that one was 22, so we got 23. This little guy is Pro Collagen Insta Smooth Primer. Line and Pore Smoothing Primer. And it says apply over your daily Elemis moisturizer. So there's a primer. I have so many new things to try out, you guys. I'm really excited. So now this one's 24. This is a good size. And this one is a resurfacing facial wash. I'm just stacking boxes everywhere. Skin smoothing cleanser, anti-aging. Use on damp skin, morning and evening. Avoid contact with eyes. Rinse off. So there's that facial wash. So I definitely want to try that out. And number 25, you guys, this should be, because I haven't seen it yet, one product in here is valued at $100 in itself. And it's this one. Of course, they saved the best for last. In number 25, we have the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream. Now, I do have like a night mask one that I got, I think, in my, was it in my Look Fantastic Easter egg advent calendar I did? I'm not quite sure, but this one is a marine cream. And I can't wait to try this. This, like I said, is worth like at least $100 in itself. So I'm really glad to have this and to try this one out. Yay! Okay, you guys, so that is what is in all 25 of my boxes. I'm so excited to start using these. I'm gonna go like a whole month with just using Elemis products and see if it makes a difference. And if you guys want to follow up on that, let me know and I can tell you. But I'm literally gonna go at least a month until I can use up most of these and just use Elemis skincare products and see what happens. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. That is everything that I have. Comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of this box? Did you like all of the products that came in it? Are you interested in it? Yes, I know it's at a higher price point, but Elemis is a higher ticketed items. They're a more expensive line. So that's why I was glad to get this, because I can try all different types and then I can know what to buy if I would like to continue using it in the future. So I'm happy with my purchase, and I cannot wait to now start just using Elemis products and see if I see a change. So again, comment down below, let me know. Your positive interaction means the world. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Stay tuned for my other advent calendars, because like I said, this was the third one. One of them I know is a pre-sale, so I know I'm not gonna get that one probably at least until next month. The other one that I just purchased today, didn't say pre-sale, so I might be getting it soon. So just look out for my other ones, because I have 3 so far, and as soon as I know, there's a few others that I do want to get once they're available. So yeah, if you guys do know of one that you want to make sure you see, comment down below, let me know, and I will try to make it happen, unless it's one I've already ordered. But I just love advent calendars. I wish I could get them all, but I don't want to be broke by the end of the year. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already, and then you'll see the different videos that I do load for you guys. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.